Modern dragon fruit farming and harvesting. The cultivation of dragon fruit is done linearly, as the shape of the fruit is no less than a dragon head. This is why it's plucked with a cutter, then goes through a perfect washing section that cleans it from clouds of dust. Then the workers peel the skin of the fruit and put it in the grinder to extract its juice and pack it in the bottles. Dragon fruits start flowering from May to June, and their fruits emerge from August to December. These become ready for harvesting after 1 month of their cultivation. Similarly, their fruiting cycle persists till December, and their picking up can be done 6 times during this period. Dragon fruit grows on the Hyloceras cactus, also known as the Honolulu Queen, whose flowers only open at night. The plant is native to southern Mexico and Central America. Today, it is grown all over the world. It goes by many names, including pitaya, pitahaya, and strawberry pear. The 2 most common types have bright red skin with green scales that resemble a dragon, hence the name. The most widely available variety has white pulp with black seeds, though a less common type with red pulp and black seeds exists as well. Another variety, referred to as yellow dragon fruit, has yellow skin and white pulp with black seeds. Dragon fruit may look exotic, but its flavors are similar to other fruits. Its taste has been described as a slightly sweet cross between a kiwi and a pear. It's rich in antioxidants like flavonoids, phenolic acid, and beta-cyanine. These natural substances protect your cells from damage by free radicals, molecules that can lead to diseases like cancer and premature aging. It's naturally fat-free and high in fiber. It makes for a good snack because it can help keep you full for longer between meals. It may help lower your blood sugar. Researchers say this might be partly because it replaces damaged cells in your pancreas that make insulin, the hormone that helps your body break down sugar. But the studies were done on mice, not people. It's unclear just how much dragon fruit you'd have to eat to get these benefits. It contains prebiotics, which are foods that feed the healthy bacteria called probiotics in your gut. Having more prebiotics in your system can improve the balance of good to bad bacteria in your intestines. Specifically, dragon fruit encourages the growth of the probiotics lactobacilli and bifidobacteria. In your gut, these and other helpful bacteria can kill disease-causing viruses and bacteria. They also help digest food. It can strengthen your immune system. Dragon fruit is high in vitamin C and other antioxidants, which are good for your immune system. It can boost your iron levels. Iron is important for moving oxygen through your body and giving you energy, and dragon fruit has iron. And the vitamin C in dragon fruit helps your body take in and use the iron. When the fruits are taken in the processing plants, the workers wash loads of them in the steam tub so that these fruits become fresh and dust-free. If you are obsessed with watching more videos similar to these, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Then the fruits are ground and their juice is extracted and further packed. Similarly, these are not limited to juices only. But these workers also produce solid products too, which are packed into various packaging, which postulates the products to go through several processing steps until the product is finalized based on their packaging. The extracted juice is specified with yet another kind of bottle, which is filled to its cap with a little space left. The cap is also attached with an automated system. After the capping process, the quality inspectors give the bottles an eagle-eye check for checking the quality. Similarly, after passing through this stage, the bottles of the extracted juice are sent for the labeling process that ends the overall process of the factory. Thus, the bottles are packed in cartons and sent to the markets to meet the demand of the consumers. The dragon fruit is a mixture of a slight cross between a kiwi and a pear. Dragon fruit is a tropical fruit native to Mexico and Central America. Nature has integrated the slight taste of kiwi and pear into this fruit, but it never means it doesn't have a new taste. It also has a unique taste.